If you've got front of the knee pain after jumping, explosive movements, or deep squats, this 2-minute test will help you figure out if it's jumper's knee or something else. All right, let's get into it. Hey guys, Dr. Neil Toussaint with TrickStrong.com, where we help you do what you want, even when pain or weakness get in your way. Jumper's knee or patellar tendinosis is an extremely common problem in movement artists and athletes, especially those of you who jump a lot. It's going to be a lot easier to fix it if we catch it early. So in this video, we're going to be breaking down exactly how to test for it in under 2 minutes. The first telltale sign of jumper's knee is pinpoint pain. You can usually identify it with one finger. It's going to be right under your kneecap, or sometimes it's going to be right on that bump on your tibia here. It's not going to be usually in the middle of your tendon. It's going to be at these two attachment points right here. The jumper's knee is a patellar tendon issue. So if you have pain at this insertion or this insertion, it's a good indication that you might have this issue. Jumper's knee is going to be a load-dependent issue, meaning that if we put higher loads through the patellar tendon, you should have more and more symptoms. So we're going to start with a bodyweight squat, and for some, that might be pain-free. Next, we're going to do a squat jump, and we can start with one jump and then go to a series of jumps. Lastly, we're going to go to a single leg squat jump and then single leg series of jumps. These should have all progressively caused more issues in the spots that we identified earlier. If you're feeling that sharp or localized pain during those times, then it is a good indication that you might have jumper's knee. Lastly, jumper's knee is often delayed, so you might not feel it at the time of training, but you might feel it more the next day or 24 hours after your training session in those spots that we identified earlier. So if you've had a heavy training session with jumping, landing, or explosive movement, you're going to feel it more that next day. If your pain is more vague and not localized to the spots we discussed earlier, if it has a swelling component to it or it bothers you with sitting, then it's probably not going to be jumper's knee. If that's the case, definitely check out our other knee-related videos, and that should help you out. But if this does sound like you, don't wait. In this next video, we go over the exact structure I used to help fix my jumper's knee after about a year of daily pain. And if you guys want a full done-for-you solution, then definitely check out our jumper's knee protocol on the TrickStrong RX app. It guides you from phase 1 to phase 4, giving you full sets, reps, and everything you would need to get back to 100%. If you guys like this video, definitely like, share, subscribe, and we appreciate you greatly. Train hard, stay safe, and we'll see you soon for the next one.